All right, let's go ahead and review for our test that's coming up. Remember way back when we were simply adding like fractions? Ooh, those would not be like fractions, would they? Now they are. Like fractions have the same denominator. So what do? Keep the denominator and add the numerator. Woohoo! Hard, right? Remember? We did like 4 lessons in 2 days. Let's try another one. We can go 1/4 plus 2/4. What do? Keep the denominator, add the numerators, done. Okay, now I'll try to challenge you. We're gonna go with 6/7 minus 3/7. Instead of adding, now we're subtracting, but nothing else changes except for the operation. We keep the denominator, we do the operation with the numerator, and we get 3. Hard? You guys were so good at this. 5/8 minus 2/8. The denominator is going to be 8ths because that does not change. We simply subtract the numerators. We do want to check to make sure that everything's in simplest form. And if I tried to do this, I wouldn't have been able to. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 6, 1 and 7. Greatest common factor is 1. Simplest form. I'm going to be honest, I know this is a benchmark fraction. Greatest common factor, 1. It's in simplest form. Let's see. 1 and 3, 1 and 7. Greatest common factor is 1. It's in simplest form. How about this one? 1 and 3, 1, 2, 4, 8. Greatest common factor is 1. I did all examples that were in simplest form. If I had tried to do that, I probably wouldn't have been able to. But that's what you want to check. The hardest part about adding and subtracting like fractions is making sure that you write your answer in simplest form. Remember, when you're doing simplest form, you're just writing the factors, and if 1 is all they have in common, you are already in simplest form. That was our first step for this chapter.